अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम अली अहमद है, बाय प्रोफेशन आई एम अ रियल्टर। मैंने एक आपकी पहली वर्कशॉप अटेंड की थी, स्ट्रेटेजिक टाइम मैनेजमेंट, व्हिच बेनिफिटेड मी अ लॉट।
अच्छा,
तो उसकी वजह से अब
तो क्या फ़ायदा हुआ? 2 महीने पहले की थी ना आपने?
जी, वो it helped me scheduling, it helped me to be on time, it helped me with a lot of things where I was lacking behind on my own goals.
माशाअल्लाह।
तो जब वो strategies मैंने अपनाई तो it improved me a lot.
वाओ!
It not only helped me in my personal life but also in my professional life.
अच्छा,
जहाँ पे I used to miss my schedules or appointments, तो उनको manage better करने का मुझे time, I got to know how to do it. So I would always say never give up on anything. I mean, bad things happen, but they are not actually bad. They always happen because they move you to a new way of life. This particular time to attend this training, basically it's very late in life. This is the time actually
आपको लगता है कि इस टाइम पे आप लेट हो गए?
आप लेट हो गए।
हाँ।
This is the time के जहाँ पे हमें ये ट्रेनिंग्स लेनी चाहिए
सुन लिया भाई? हैं?
ताकि जो चीज़ें हम लोग लाइफ में नहीं कर सके वो बेटर अचीव कर सके। I thought it was essential for me to attend this workshop. And of course, today is the third day, and I have taken a lot more than I was expecting from this workshop, and it's going to help me grow with my team and my company as well. The vision I came up with when we started, and what's going to happen now, it's a bit different. So maybe another day or two, I'm going to work with Mr. Yamin, and we can have much more clear vision. I would definitely suggest to have this workshop not only for a professional reason as I am here, but for their personal reason as well, because this is going to help them have a focused life goals in their life and to eliminate any other noise which they have in their life, to have a better and healthy life, as a personal life and with the professional life as well.